So this is a customer commission, a good customer of ours. He said, could you build us a 3/4 size frame with a pit bike engine in it? We were originally going to use a new monkey bike as a donor bike, but the new ones come with way too many electrics, believe it or not. So being the era that I grew up, I'm really not quite didn't really have my head round the whole pit bike, Grom, monkey bike scene. This is what we wanted: old school chopper, ridiculous 24-inch apes, as you can see. I mean, it speaks for itself really, but suffice to say that this is a 3/4 size version of our Knickerdropper frame with a 190 engine. It's fully legal, it's got an MOT, it's road registered. You might notice the number plate gives you an idea of the owner's sort of angle, and the airbrush work with our monkey pleasing himself, if you will, which is subtle, but it does get spotted. So it's all been hand built. It's got digital speedos. We use Axel Jost electronics on it rather than Motor Gadget. Motor Gadget is good, very good, a bit expensive, but with the budget that we had, this is what we went for. It's got some lovely controls on it. Again, these are bigger bars, so we had to go with Harley stuff. So, but that's the look that he wanted, and some nice little touches on it. A quick talk on it, just so you can see. But as I say, it speaks for itself, really, as it is. This will be the next one that we're building up. This will be our build. This will have a 125 engine in it, same frame. This has got Grom wheels and forks because they came available, so we've based it on that. That will be a little bit more flat trackery. We won't be going obviously with the big bars or the sissy bar. We'll just have the single seat. I think we will do another retro chop, but we want to design our own king and queen seat, so it gives it a bit more of that look. So you can buy, we'll sell you one of these frames, 595 delivered. You can then go and get your own engine, your own forks. These are all generic pit bike stuff. We all know that they're cheap as chips, but that's the joy of it. Come to us for a frame, get your donor bike, your pit bike donor bike, which you can pick up so cheap it's ridiculous, and then you've got it running. We do our own forward controls for them, bump stops. Obviously this is the tank that we've supplied with it. You really need to keep it in proportion, so that's up to you. Same with exhausts. We fabricated this apart from the fishtail at the end, sissy bar, electric box. We can supply all of that, as you can see on that frame. So yeah, give us a call if you want one.